This is breaking news.
Early bird tickets on sale now for B and T's 30 Under 30 Awards, presented by Vevo. B and T's 30 Under 30 Awards, presented by Vevo, are gearing up for a night of glam and celebrations on Thursday, 13 March. With entries now closed, lock in the night in your calendars and buy your tickets now. The night will reveal who wins the People's Choice Award. Voting begins next week. Stay tuned. And who will be crowned the top of their game in all corners of the advertising, media, and marketing industries. While the awards is a night to celebrate this year's class of high achievers, particularly the next generation of our industry, it's also a chance to mingle with your industry peers and have fun. It's your time to get dolled up, grab a drink, and hit the dance floor. Secure your tickets now. We're so inspired by all the previous winners of the awards, and we honestly can't wait to see what's in store for this year. And we can't wait to see all of you there supporting the rising stars of our industry. Check out these pictures below from last year's awards night. When we say glam, we mean it. People's Choice Poll opens Thursday, 13 February. Judging period Wednesday, 12 February. Monday, 24 February 2025. People's Choice Poll, Monday, 24 February 2025. Finalists announced. Thursday, 27 February 2025. Early bird tickets close. Monday, 3 March 2025. Awards night, TGRS Day, 13 March 2025. The Metro Theatre, Sydney. Take a look at some of last year's glitz and glamour below.